following us.
Okay, so I'm gonna do this since Adam walked away, but this is actually our first stop of the journey. We thought we were gonna go on an ATV ride, but so far it's just a van tour, which is totally fine. But Adam's kind of upset he didn't bring his other lens. But yeah, this is stop number 1, and yeah.
We're headed into the caves right now. It's about to get really dark, really fast.
We're actually going into an underground city, not necessarily caves. People used to live in there like 4,000 years ago when they're escaping something. And
That's the cave.
And this pumps fresh air, guys. This is the main ventilation shaft. This is a vertical ventilation, and also guys, when we get in, you'll see that there are horizontal one connected with vertical ones. And moreover, the bottom of this was used to save rain and snow water, like a well. They were using it. And again, when we get a bottom, you'll see that it is connected with here, means you can see the daylight and you can understand it is daytime or not up here. So now friends, I think we're ready. Also they are waiting for us. So when we get in, what I told you, please watch your steps and let's see what really is on the ground. Please look around. Ceiling, walls, arches, entries, small rooms. Guys, when you look around these first caves, these ones, they do not look man-made. The reason is, these are because when you look at the architecture, rock-hewn architecture, there is nothing shapely, nothing symmetrical, right? They look more natural. The reason is, these are the oldest caves, means they use oldest tools, primitive things. But the deeper we go, time goes on. They have better tools and better techniques. That's why there is a more beautiful architecture, guys. This was a kitchen. I know it doesn't look like your kitchens, but this is nearly 4,000 years old, where they used to make fire. But today we'll see better examples. Chimney is right here. This is the door. You can show the people.
There's the door. Stone door.
how's the door?
It used to roll.
Oh, it rolls this way.
Got a bench?
Friends, by the way, we cannot stay longer here because this is the only way to go down and to get back up here. Before the other groups come up, we need to go down, but before, could you remember the vertical shaft we've seen up there? So, the same one. Look, just try to see how the it is. As you know, we're going all the way down there. You will see the bottom of it. We need to make noise. Because we need to make them know that we're coming down, not to get stuck, guys.
Very small. It's black. I can't see it.
I ain't trying to call him there, man.
Where's he? We're going in. Oh, it goes around. Boo.
Just a circle?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a thing. A head? Oh, it like touches. These can't go this low.
Yes, they can.
Dude.
Come on.
This hurts.
How's that?
That was crazy. My knees are built for this.
Makes like a cross. Very cool. That's a cross.
So what was they needed something to like keep the smell inside or not to let smell go out. They had to, even if it was not permanent, they had to bury the bodies, guys. And thanks to God, this is a volcanic region. Ash, salt, and lime. Salt, lime, ash. These three things do not let smell go out. At the same time, kill germs and pathogens. But also, we haven't seen toilets so far. There is no toilets. How many times a day do you go to the restaurant? 2 times, 3 times. Let's say 2. So 4,002 times a day. 4,000 people and 2 times. 80,000 toilet needs just a day. What are we getting? You good? Anybody coming down? Okay, guys, there is no one. This is the heaviest door, nearly 500 kgs. All you need is just getting around and pushing it from the behind, and it fits here. Unfortunately, look, you know, sometimes we're comfortable, but this. See, how many people were sleeping here? I was not here.
My camera card's full. My camera? I forgot to format the SD card and it ran out. Oh look, you can see some white.
This is where we stop to make the grapes and it's to drain these things.
So the caves are super cool. I think we are headed somewhere else now. Do you know where we're going?
No clue. But yeah, caves are finished, going on to the next destination.
Yeah, so we have a lot to do today. The tour goes till 6. We have so much to do after 2, and we leave to the airport at like 6 a.m. tomorrow. So it's gonna be a fun day. Very, very tiring. Turkish Grand Canyon. Read that really quick and it looks like Philly.
Huh?
Right down there.
We at the Grand Canyon, boys. How many steps do we have to climb?
400.
Almost there.
400 too many. Well, we're exploring the Grand Canyon of Turkey right now, or Cappadocia, the Cappadocia Canyon, whatever you call it, I don't know. It's pretty cool though.
There's a cool river running in the middle of it, and it's this pretty bluish green color. So yeah.
I'm not sure where we're walking, but we just walked about 400 steps. Wasn't too bad. You know, Istanbul trained us well.
Where are we?
The church?
Well, you can see that there is another level right up there, and in the left you can see empty rooms, because this entire building used to be a little monastery, guys. And there used to be 3 levels. This is second floor. Twelve disciples: Gregor, Thomas, Basil. So bishops and Basil. I told you one thing in the bus. The man who converted Cappadocia into an educational center. Habakkuk, Daniel, Noah, Jonah, Elia.
So we just made it to the bottom of the canyon and it's super cool. Over there we just saw the church and this cat. The cat was like attacking these trees. It was really funny. But I think we're just taking some pictures down here and then headed to some more churches, I believe. I'm not sure though. So this is our third stop on our tour right now, and it's honestly amazing. The canyon is so beautiful. I don't know where else we're going. I think it's Love City, which is also known as Dick Valley, but and then like 2 or 3 more places. We're gonna eat lunch after this, and tour so far is amazing. I'm really kind of mad that I didn't bring my 70 to 300 because I thought we were actually riding quads, but it turns out we're taking a bus everywhere. Which the guy said, yeah, you take quads all around all day. And I kind of thought at first that was a little bit long. Well, my GoPro just died in mid-sentence. I'm not sure where we left off, but this tour so far is amazing. And we are going to head to eat some lunch now. Starving, it's like 2 o'clock. And we've been walking for a long time. So definitely getting in shape from walking. Oh, there's a big old cave right there too. Let's see, here's the canyon. Wait, there's some trees in the way.
We're actually in the canyon right now.
Yeah.
So everything above us is, you know, it's raining.
We're like taking a bunch of videos and photos and keep losing the tour group. They're like, you can't even see them. But look at, like, how can you not stop? It's just amazing. Like a creek here, Jen here, the green grass, the sun and the mountain. These are pistachio trees actually. These trees that are all dead right here. And during the season, apparently there's a lot of pistachio. What? September. So during September, there's a lot of pistachios, and I guess you can eat them. That'd be really cool to come here and just get a bunch of pistachios. Maybe one day. But let's go finish walking the ground. He did say the walk was gonna be, now that I think about it, like an hour.
Yeah.
So
Walking that hour, it's about 2 kilometers long.
I'm pretty sure he said 4.
We're walking to like a little tea spot right now. We're gonna sit there and then gonna walk a little more, and then we're gonna eat lunch, which is a very traditional lunch, or Turkish traditional lunches, I heard. So yeah, that's where we're going right now.
I hope we don't have to walk back, but I don't see any other option out of this.
Well, he mentioned that we don't have to climb the 400 stairs again, but also might have been wrong.
I don't know how that would be possible either way, because it only looks like right now there's one way out.
Okay.
So I guess we'll see. Yeah, there's like a waterfall that's like right over there, and sheep
There's
on the top.
tons of sheep on top of the mountain. There's tons of them.
I'm actually kind of mad that I didn't bring my big lens now because there's so much cool stuff. Ooh, look at these. This is really cool. Yeah, so am I. This is cool. All right, time to go. Get lunch. Wow, this journey is really amazing, but I never thought I would walk this far to get some lunch. Whew. Look at it, beautiful. And it's actually surprisingly really green. I didn't think it'd be this green after driving through like all of the valley, and it was just flat and brown. There's a little bit of green, but not really. A lot of bugs too. Ooh, if you look right there, there's some caves There's like caves all throughout the valley, and that's what makes it pretty cool, is all these caves just like hidden inside the canyons. It's amazing. I think we made it, guys. Here's the exit. Yes. We walked 3 miles. Those holes up there, those are for pigeons. Right there. I really got high hopes that we were eating here, but I don't think we are. They're still walking. We didn't make it yet. We're almost there, I think. Yes. Food. All right, well, lunch was great. We had some chicken and rice. Kind of tastes a little bit Mexican, but now we made it to the cave. So apparently this is a big hike.
The monastery.
They said don't bring your backpack because it's really windy though.
Catch you at the top.
Yeah, we'll see you guys at the top. This is where they got the inspiration for Star Wars. But it was actually filmed in Tunisia. Weird flex, but okay. So I think I got it on my camera, but the mountain out there looks really cool. We're in the monastery right now?
We're in the kitchen. We're going to the monastery.
Yes, this is the kitchen. We're about to head to the monastery.
About these fairy chimneys is that like you think you've seen one room, but then there's another hallway leading to another room, and another room that leads into another hallway and another hallway. It's just like this huge,
Never ending.
beehive. It's like,
Ant farm.
yeah.
Look at that one keeps going.
We can't find our group and our bus. So it said to be back at 3:50 and it's like 3:45. And we don't see anything.
This is actually what inspired the Star Wars movie, so look. It was actually filmed in Tunisia, but it was inspired from here. So, really cool. We made it to this volcanic lake. They said it was a bonus. It's amazing. Alright, well, this is our last stop. Well, today was really fun. Super long day, exhausted, but now we have to go back and shoot some photos. And tomorrow morning we're headed to Greece. So, we have a busy schedule.
5 a.m. is wake up to go to the airport. And then we fly to Istanbul and then have a 6-hour layover. And then to Athens.
Yep. So,
Cappadocia. You've been in.
you cut me off my sentence. Cappadocia was great. We'll see you later, and we'll catch you guys in Athens. See ya. I'm literally photo and videoed out right now. Like, the first SD card I filled up, my neck is killing from holding this camera, and I probably have like a solid 200 gigabytes of footage from today because we did so much. So it's gonna be really fun to edit. Right, Jen?
So much fun and so excited.
But we're gonna get some snacks now because we're too lazy to go get dinner and we have way too much to do.